Most reward apps don't underpay you on purpose. They just spread earnings across small tasks, which makes the total feel lower than it actually is when you look at it per action. By the end of this, you'll know 7 types of apps that often deliver higher than expected earnings, how their payout systems work, and what usually causes users to underestimate their real earning potential. Start with why more than you think happens at all. Most people judge reward apps by single tasks instead of total output over time. So perception matters more than raw payout structure. First category is offer-wall reward apps. These apps often pay more than expected per action, because they bundle installs, sign-ups and trials into higher value tasks compared to basic surveys. Second category is high-value survey platforms. Some surveys take longer, but pay more per completion, which can feel surprising when compared to low-effort apps. Third category is cashback shopping apps. These apps return value on purchases people were already going to make, which makes earnings feel like bonus money instead of structured income. Fourth category is microtask platforms. These apps pay for small digital work like testing or labeling content, and the combined total often exceeds what users expect from individual tasks. Fifth category is gaming reward apps with milestone payouts. These apps reward progression instead of ads or random points, which can create higher than expected total earnings over time. Sixth category is referral-based reward apps. These platforms can generate significantly higher earnings when users actively share referral links, but results depend on network activity. Seventh category is hybrid reward ecosystems. These apps combine surveys, games, cashback and offers, which increases total earning opportunities across multiple systems. Now here's what actually determines whether earnings feel higher than expected. Task stacking matters most. Using multiple earning methods inside one app increases total output. Consistency also matters. Short daily activity often outperforms irregular long sessions. And payout structure shapes perception. Apps that delay rewards can feel lower value even when total earnings are similar. So, more than you think is usually a result of structure, not hidden income. Summary. Apps that feel higher paying usually combine offers, surveys, cashback, microtasks, gaming milestones, and referrals. Real perception depends on stacking, consistency, and payout structure. The system shapes the result. Next step, choose one multi-feature reward app and track total weekly earnings across all available tasks instead of focusing on a single activity. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.